Businessman Wikroch vs. ex-wife Sonja Madzikanda and a mother Tabitha Madzikanda who spent another night in custody after their anticipated bail ruling failed to take place in court yesterday. Sadabina mashuko budanyo kwa achinzi magistrate falls ill. Chituko chakaonekwa kunzi yesterday zvanyanzo kutarisira kunzi Sonja Madzikanda and a mother vachakwanisa kuti nhau yavo inge ichipedzewa, but boya madevelopments ekun the magistrate is fallen ill. Madevelopments yoti vanhu vazhinji havana kuzvibhilivha. Zarabina mashuko anobudanyo kwa panguva inai. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mubudanyo comes the court head that the magistrate expected to deliver the ruling was unwell, forcing the matter to be postponed to tomorrow morning, meaning today. The pair is facing cyberbullying charges after allegedly unlawfully accessing the complainant's mobile phone and downloading photography involving South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. They are also accused of using AI to falsify a meeting between Wikroch and President Cyril Ramaphosa. Doma developments are rubuda panguva ine chiona kuti aiwa Sonja Madzikanda, the ex-wife Wikroch panguva ino nhau dzavo dzova delayed. Doma developments aripo mune Zimbabwe panhau inozivikanwa kuti iri very very toxic in kuingiruda vanhu vane proximity to state power. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pe developments. Comment section medu, subscribe or like pamwe chete nokutina on the bell icon.